In this video, I'll show you how to create the Inception-style mirror effect in DaVinci Resolve using the built-in mirror tool. Let's get started. First, head over to the Effects panel and search for Mirror. Drag and drop the mirror effect directly onto your clip in the timeline. Next, open the inspector and go to the Effect tab. Set the angle to -90 degrees. This rotates the mirrored reflection so it flips vertically, giving that signature Inception mirror look. Now, switch to the Video tab to animate the movement. Place your playhead at the very beginning of the clip. In the Transform section, click the keyframe icon next to Position Y to create your first keyframe. Then, decrease the Y value to around -200. This moves the reflection downward to start the animation. Move your playhead to the end of the clip and create another keyframe for Position Y, this time setting it back to 0. And that's it! A clean, cinematic mirror effect done entirely within DaVinci Resolve.